What for? Digital brainRot. Yeah. Digital brainRot. I'm scrolling till my robust pop. My brain so fried it's about to flop. I'm blocks in as my mind decays. These hobbies got me in a mental haze. Everything's no cap or cap fur. My brain can't tell what's real anymore. Roadblocks grind hitting different now. Mental state, new avatar take a bow. I'm grinding for that premium drip. Virtual currency making me flip. My consciousness is down bad, glitch. Algorithm got me absolutely stitched. Used to play outside and feel alive. Now blocks in got me in its vibe. I'm cranking out those emo moves. My avatar flexing got blocks to prove. Information overload on God. Dead ass grind in my mind, such a fraud. That Robux spend hit different though. As brain rot makes my brain let go. My processing powers getting cooked. Still looking. I'm scrolling till my Robux pop. My brain so fried it's about to flop. I'm boxing as my mind decays. These hobbies got me in a mental haze. Everything's no cap or cap for real. My brain can't tell what's real anymore. You'll play a lot. You'll play a lot. Shit, I'm drunk.